we will see how to create a variant in Figma. So guys, for this, first of all, setting up your base component. Design your initial element like the button or the icon, then select all the layer your design element. Create a component by clicking the create component. Alternatively, you use the shortcut keys. Then guys, create the component and set with the variants. Select your main component on the canvas. In the right sidebar, find the properties section and click the option of add variant. Figma will automatically group your original component and the new variant into the component sets. After that, drag the new variants to arrange it next to the original and rename the entire component set into the layer panel to something generic like button. After that, defining the project and the values. So guys, select the entire component in the right design panel and choose the variants. Name your first property, for example state, and select your original variant and set state property to default. Select your second hand variant and set it to the state priority to hover. Customize the appearance of the hover and variants. After that, adding more variants and properties, expand your component set to cover all the necessary states. Then guys, select the component set on the canvas. Click the add variant, carefully drag and arrange a new variants and select each new variant assigned to the specified state. Adjust the visual design for each new variant at the appropriate. To add the another properties, size, select the component, set and click add new property. Again, defining the values like small, medium, large for the new property across the relevant variants.